What should I do if I forgot my EA email on PS4 and want to change it?
Hello there, video game enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling an issue that might be familiar to many of you: forgetting your EA account email on your PS4. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. We'll guide you through a step-by-step process to retrieve your forgotten email and how to change it if necessary.
Can I retrieve my forgotten EA email?
Yes, absolutely. The first step is to check if you can retrieve your forgotten EA email. To do this, you'll need to access the EA game that you've played on your PS4. 1. Launch the EA game on your PS4. 2. Navigate to the game's main menu, then go to the Settings or Options. 3. From there, find an option related to EA Account or Account Info. 4. In the account settings or info, you should be able to find the email address associated with your EA account. If for some reason you can't find this information or your email isn't displayed, don't fret. We have another method for you.
Contacting EA support.
If you've tried to find your email in the game but can't, or if you've lost access to the email itself, you'll need to contact EA support directly. Here are the steps. 1. Visit the EA Help website. 2. Click on Contact Us at the top right of the page. 3. Choose the game and platform you're seeking help for, in this case, your EA game on PS4. 4. Under the Select an Issue drop-down, choose Manage My Account. 5. For Select Issue, choose Can't Log In. 6. Click Select Contact option, and follow the prompts to chat with an EA advisor. Be prepared to provide any relevant information to confirm your identity. This may include things like your PSN ID, games you have played, in-game purchases, or other information that can be used to verify your identity.
Changing your EA email.
Once you've regained access to your EA account, you might want to change the email address for ease of future access. Here's how you can do this. 1. Log into your EA account on the EA website. 2. Click on Account Settings. 3. Under the About Me tab, find and click on Change Email Address. 4. Enter your new email address and click on Send Verification. 5. You will receive an email at the new address. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm the change. Remember to use an email that you frequently check and have reliable access to. It's a wrap. We hope this guide helped you retrieve and possibly change your EA account email on your PS4. Always remember to keep your account details safe and handy to avoid such inconveniences in the future. Keep gaming, and we'll see you in the next one.